Oh, that's what we do, I guess.
That's mine, it's on the list.
It's- Yeah.
And then that, it's
Recording right now? You want to double check? You want to double check the camera?
Sure, yeah.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna learn about like fraction and ratio and stuff. So I got a quick question for you guys before you get started. So what is you guys' definition of 1/2 and 1/3 of a bottle of water? If we have like an empty bottle, like an empty water bottle, so
So we have a, if we have water in there, how much water do you think is in the cup?
right now.
Yeah.
What is the?
How full is the cup?
A little bit less than half.
A little bit less than half? Is that a little bit closer?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, what would you guys think is your definition of, half? Like, what does that mean to you?
Half would be enough water such that there's as much water as there is empty space in the cup.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said, an equal amount, so what does that mean?
So,
Like the volume of water and the volume of empty space are equal.
okay. Well, how about 1/3? So this is definition of 1/2. Well, how about 1/3? Like, can you come up with a
It would
definition?
just be twice as much empty space as there is water.
So 2 times the volume of the space. Is it going to be?
No, it would be 2 times the volume of the water is equal to 1 times the volume of the empty space, right? Because there's 2 times as much water as there, or 2 times as much empty space as there is water.
So if you have a third of water in your bottle, you're saying,
There's 2 times as much empty space.
so
There's
there's,
2/3 of empty space.
so there's two out of three of the slots are empty,
Yeah.
and you're saying 1 out of 3 of the slots is filled?
Yeah.
So what do you think so you said what's the proportion of filled water to empty water? What's the proportion?
It would
Like a
be
ratio
1
of it.
to 2.
1 to 2?
But if you set it equal, it would be 2 times water is equal to 1 times.
Oh.
Is what I meant.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, so actually why don't we do the second problem right now, is after asking the ratio of the water to the air, so to the empty space of the bottle. So actually, author has already said it, have already answered.
So Arthur, can you show how to find a ratio of water, the ratio of water to air in the bottle?
Well, since you have this much water and twice as much empty space, right? It would be 1 to 2. And normally, if you can simplify it, then you'll need to simplify it, but 1 to 2 is already as simple as you can get it. So your answer is just 1 to 2.
How would you write that as a fraction? Or how do you find this using these numbers? If you know that it's 1/3 filled and that there's 2/3 empty, how do you use 1/3 and 2/3 to find the proportion?
Well, you usually just set 1 as a proportion to the other, and then you would simplify it to the least whole number. So you just multiply it both by 3 and you would get 1 to 2.
Okay, cool. So Arthur's saying 1 to 2, if there's one of these, there's two of these. So you can also write this notation as 1 over 2. Okay. And then 1/3 to 2/3, you can also write this as 1/3 over 2/3. And then
Which is just put 1/2. Which is 1 portion.
So now, I think we can start the problem.
So, another question, so what if we have two water bottles full, how many water bottles would be for that? If you have, what is the proportion of 2 water bottles to the, So if you have two water bottles-
full water bottles and
and
4
so you can
empty
keep the
water
ratio
bottles.
the same, how many more water bottles do you need?
You need 2 full water bottles and 4 empty ones.
So if you have 2 bottles, right, full of water, and then how many bottles would you need to keep the ratio to 1 to 2?
4 empty
Oh,
ones.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay, so you guys decide you got good knowledge of what fraction is. So why don't we get started and try to do problem number 1?
So, like, first of all, I want to ask you some questions. Have you, any of you guys, raise your hand if any of you guys have cooked before, or like, seen someone cooking like your mother or father in the house? Yeah? And have you seen somewhere, if you're cooking, you accidentally like put a less or more ingredient in the recipe, and then you don't know what to do, have you been in this situation? Okay, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a similar problem. So we're gonna show you if you put a wrong amount of ingredient in the recipe, and how could you match that with equal proportion of other ingredient to make the recipe, to keep the ratio same of the recipe, right? So since you guys have good understanding of ratio now, so we want you to write on number 1 together in groups. So you guys could split it in groups. And so you two.
Or you guys work
Just really interesting, and we'll be prepared to work on the sugar and whatever. What is the ratio of sugar?
How else we get?
Yeah. Basically, you set them like as equal to each other, and then you simplify it into whole numbers, just like you did as in class. Because the top part was fine. That's the fine.
So, you want to find the,
Wait, so.
The water reaction will be more in the egg, right?
Yeah, and it's, what, 4, and we flip it over.
Or do you want to find me
That's
to
4.
yeah, so,
But that would become
Yeah.
4.5, right?
I
guess it would be-
See, that's 6, right? Oh, wait, oh, 6.
Okay, try multiplying it by 4 then.
No, because of what you got.
So remember how Arthur was writing like 1 to 2?
Yeah.
Well, we can also write 1 to 2 as 1 over 2, or 1/3 to 2/3 as 1/3 over 2/3. This is just a different way of writing this notation. Right.
How would you cancel the A?
I guess I did out.
You guys can like split it.
is the ratio, right? So for every,
So very good, right?
If you did it,
Or did everyone get it? What'd you guys, does anybody want to share what they got? So what is the ratio of sugar to butter?
6 to 1.
Oh, we did it wrong.
I did it right.
You just did it backwards? Okay, so how about one of you guys come up and show you how we found like the ratio of sugar to butter?
Okay.
Sorry, if you do it, we'll come.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I'll call you out.
Don't worry.
You'd be all right.
Wait, what are the?
You can have it.
Hold on.
Yeah, you can take a picture.
What was it? An eighth?
Yeah.
But then whenever you take the reciprocal and then you make it over, that's what you do. The answer's 6. So then you get, I wrote it like this, but maybe that's wrong.
Okay, so you said you had the 3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup and 1/8 of sugar, right?
Which one is the sugar?
This is sugar. This is butter.
Yeah, 1/8 is butter.
And then, okay, so we're trying to find the ratio of butter to sugar, so then I just, this is like, these are already ratios, right? So anyway, I multiplied them. I got the answer of 6.
So you simplify it and you get it.
Simplified, and then I got 6, and then, I don't know, I'm guessing it's 1 to 6, but Martha's gonna tell me I'm wrong. What is it? Tell me.
Your answer is right, but your
What is it
your
backwards?
work is wrong.
Oh.
You can't simplify like that unless they're on 2 different sides of the equal sign.
Wait, but if I'm multiplying
Because
those.
what you do
making
to one side, you must do to the other. You can't divide one side by 2 and then divide by one side by 2.
Well, I mean,
again.
if you were like, sorry, so if I was multiplying it, but isn't it like this? You take the reciprocal, so then we go like this, it's gonna be 2, it's gonna be 6 over 1. Oh, there it is.
That's only if you divide.
But why
If you're
don't you divide?
multiplying, it would be 3
Yeah,
times
it should
3
be
over 4 times 8. And if you simplify it
So,
your way, it would be
The
3
thing is,
over
you're
2,
dividing,
3
you're
over 1.
dividing them.
Oh, I'm dividing them, not multiplying it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, get it now.
3 over 32 or 3 over 2 is not the
Two,
same,
not the
so
same,
you know
yeah.
you
Oh,
can't
okay, got
simplify
it.
that way.
Okay, great.
So you had the right idea, you just had the wrong notation.
So Alec, do you just want to do the second half of the problem?
So it's 3, so then it's 2 to 3, third time.
No, it's the same
So
answer.
you can do it this way. And that would be.
Oh, I get it. I
Over
was-
4 equals 6. Or you can do it this way. So you need to multiply it by 8 to get 6.
Oh, got it. That's right. Okay,
Also, do you want to do the second half of the problem as well?
What's the second half?
great. Power bar.
Just, butter.
Oh, well.
Power is at 2 cups.
Oh, did you have mine?
Butter
Is that mine?
is at 1
Okay.
cup. You see there's an A, so you multiply by A, 6 equals 1.
It's really wrong. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, so, yeah, that's right, so good job, guys, but, now, for the second part, we want you to switch groups, and then.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, that's right.
All right.
Okay, so let's do.
Got it, got it. Oh, great. Oh. Okay.
So we all look next to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the side.
Okay, So now you guys are actually cooking. So Travis wants to make a batch of muffins, okay? So instead of following the recipe where the recipe requires 3/4 of a cup of sugar, an 1/8 cup of butter, 2 cups of flour, Travis accidentally put a half a cup of butter in the mix instead of an 1/8 cup. So the question is asking, what amount of sugar and flour does Travis need to put in the mix to have the same ratio of sugar to butter that the original recipe calls for? So brainstorm for just like a minute, think about how you might solve the problem. If you need help, ask your partner.
We're asking this.
I forgot what I saw in the beginning. That's just the one. Butter into it.
So,
Yeah, you have to do it.
All
This is
three.
all three, yeah.
so we start on that one, that we're gonna have a bunch of minutes. And we sure that we found that it's probably, or phone number one, or whatever. And we found out the ratio between butter and sugar is 60. So if they put half a cup of butter in the mix, so it's like putting 6 cups of the three.
So I have a question, really quick for you. So you said the ratio of butter to sugar is 6 pounds solution. So what does this mean exactly?
When we, like, you guys would want to cut, sugar,
So how much more sugar is there? Or how much more butter is there in sugar?
so it says you put accidentally, he accidentally put half a cup of butter in the mix.
Okay. So
So if you put half as much,
if you put a half a cup of butter, right? You put a half a cup of butter. Right? If you put a half a cup of butter in, and it requires an 1/8 cup of butter,
you have to do the ratio again, right? You have to find out.
you wanna find, what are these new quantities?
Keep the ratio same.
And 8 cups of flour, 48 cups of sugar.
If it's 6 to 1 for the sugar to butter, just.
So you usually,
Just
original ratio,
Six to 1
Oh, so
is the ratio of sugar to butter, and then we put in
That's
sugar to butter.